All right, day one of the modifying of the Alto Works. We have put in Presidia seats. They fit. They're definitely a little bit wider than the Alto Works seats, but when they're free, you can make it fit. So this was the current seat that was in there, completely destroyed. The Iceman that had this car before me, he definitely wore this seat out and wore a lot of the interior out. I don't know how, but he did manage. Yeah, so I got these Presidia seats for free. They're the nicer Presidia seats. There's two different styles. One's more of a normal seat. This one's kind of a fun, somewhat buckety, but nice nevertheless. Kind of a sporty-ish looking. There's the bottom of it. Came as a pair. The guy had destroyed one, trying to make it fit, then half destroyed the other, trying to make that one fit, and then kind of gave up. The half destroyed one I could put back together. This one is too far gone. I don't have any of the pieces. So I'll have to look into getting another one. But there it is in the car. Looking at the other seat beside it, it really doesn't look that out of place. As the seats that are in this car are kind of goofy looking in my opinion already. With the red and black and kind of the kind of mesh fabric for where you sit. Yeah, this seat sits a little lower. So it makes me wish I had a tilt steering wheel because it's not the greatest angle, but it's not that bad. I think if I actually got a nicer wheel for it, it would actually fit a lot better. But yeah, goes back, forward, tilts, feels great, doesn't hurt my back while driving. So yeah, that's a Presidia seat inside a 1999 Alto Works. If anyone out there is thinking to do the swap, it's pretty easy. Cut the tabs off the old one. Weld them on the front of that one, and then the back ones, you have to build some little spacer plates, but it's pretty easy. Yeah, smell you guys later. We will carry on the next modification. See you later.